Namaste, I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support. So today will be a Teachers Day special video and I will make this. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So these are the things that are needed. So let's start. For the rose, we will need 1-inch white ribbon, a scale, a scissor. Take the ribbon and cut 6 cm from it. Like this, make 14 pieces each of 6 cm. Now take one of it and a lighter and seal the ends of the ribbon like this. If you don't seal the ends, then the thread will come out like this, as you can see. So sealing is very important. Now fold the sealed end into a triangle like this and fold the right corner of the triangle and make a triangle again and seal it as I am showing you. Let me show you another one. Please note, if any kid is watching this and planning to make this, do make sure that you are under your parents' surveillance because it can harm your fingers and thumbs. So please make sure that your parents are with you while you are trying this. Please, it's a humble request. So like this, I have done all the 14 petals. Now I will attach the petals with each other. And all the petals are done. Now take an iron wire of 64 cm and fold it into half and fold the half wire into half again. Twist it with each other. This will make the wire more stronger. Now I will take the petal circle and attach the wire with it. So the folded side will be on the outer side and the not folded side will be in the inner side. Now glue it. And stick it in the manner I am showing you. Do not glue the full petal, just glue it in the end. Roll the wire like this, sticking it on the same time. Roll the wire and stick it. And roll it and stick it. And our flower is done. Take the flower and glue it on the back side too to make it more stiff. Like this, I have made 6 flowers. Now I will attach a square knit. It is of a random size and attach the knit in the way I am showing you. Now I will take 2 plates. And in one plate I will pour Fevicol and water. Mix them nicely. And in the other plate I will pour the glitter. Now take your flower, dip it into the glue, drip off the excess and then dip it into the glitter. Like this. Drip off the excess glitter. Like this, I have made all the 6 flowers and now I will let it set until it is fully dried. Now take a rectangular piece of paper of 12 cm by 4.5 cm and then cut a triangle at the ends Now take a brush pen. You can use your sketch pen too, but I am using my brush pen. Write Happy Teacher's Day with it. Now keep this aside. On the other hand, take this kind of crepe handmade paper, or you can use this kind of A4 size a red sheet, and cut a piece of 21 cm by 26 cm, and then take the flower and attach it together by twisting the wire with each other. I used a wire because you can give them any shape easily. Twist it nicely. It has been totally attached and not moving from its place. Now take the red paper and do it as I am showing you. Now attach it with the help of a glue gun. Now take another red crepe paper of 25 cm by 10 cm and make this kind of waves on it and attach it with the help of a glue gun. Now tie it with the help of a jute thread. And I will stick the Happy Teacher's Day tag too. And you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your comments. And if you have any video requests for me in the comment section below, I will definitely put up a video on that. And if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside it. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.